Hey everyone, it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Today I'll be showing you guys on how to fix your screen that looks like this. If it's turned white, but you can still see some of the information behind the screen. We're going to show you guys in today's video on how to fix it, and if you can attempt to fix it before trying to replace it. So this issue happens when there's short circuiting behind your screen, usually due to condensation. We've already fixed it because we wanted to address it before we put it on video and quickly as possible before the moisture does any irreversible damage. So our screen is now fixed, as you can see. So in order to do it, I'll show you guys 4 ways in today's video on how to attempt to fix it. From easiest and less intrusive to the harder ones where you gotta take the screen out. It's worth a try because these screens are pretty expensive. With this being the Uconnect 5 model, I believe it's $1,200-ish just for the screen only and not the module behind it. So first of all, the easiest fix is turning on your heat to the max in your vehicle and baking it for 10 to 20 minutes just on max heat and warming up your entirety of the dash and behind. So usually when you turn on AC or you turn on heat and the change from it, as you can see, your windows all fog up with condensation. There's also condensation in the pipes and behind the screen. So that hot and cold forms moisture inside the circuitry and it short circuits your screen, causing that white display issue. So that's the first method, which is the easiest, is just blasting the heat and blasting the air, drying out your vehicle. Second of all, another way to fix it is to hold your power and your tuner button at the same time. So this forces a factory reset while keeping all the settings on your vehicle. So if there's anything that's glitched out in the software, this will fix it. So we're going to hold the power and the tuner button on your vehicle. If you have a Jeep or a RAM, you should have these 2 buttons. So you're going to hold it for 20 seconds and your screen will factory reset, like so. So once it turns black, you can now let go. And you'll hear your speakers pop possibly when your amplifier resets as well. So this, if it comes back online and it's fine, then you have fixed it. If it's still white, then we'll move on to the third step. So now we're going to move on to the next step, which is opening your hood. So once you have the hood open, we're going to locate the negative terminal of your battery, which is black. And we're going to take off that socket right there, which is a 10 mil. We're going to take it off and let the vehicle sit for 10 hours with no battery on it. So that will drain all the power remaining from your vehicle's modules and your screen and hopefully do a full reset in order to bring the screen back to life. So with the 3 methods being shown, we're now on the 4th and final method. This is the hardest one out of them all, but it may give you better results. So this consists of removing your center console out or your display. In your RAMs, it's usually 2 screws up top right here. There's 2 Phillips and you just pull your screen towards you. Typically it's the same for Jeeps as it's made by the same manufacturer, FCA. So once you take it out, we're going to use our heat gun and just put it on medium and just try to heat up the back of your screen. The back of your screen, it's a metal sheet from top to bottom. You're going to try to get any remaining moisture out, which is typically the cause of that white screen, or you can also try to heat it long enough to try to melt the solder. That's unlikely, but if your screen is already cooked and there's no way of coming back, what do you have to lose in heating it up and trying to fix it that way? Because a screen replacement is for sure in the hundreds, even if you're buying used. And these are the 4 methods that can bring your screen back to life. So these methods have helped me bring my screen back to life on my truck. Hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it hasn't, you guys can share what has worked for you or what hasn't. Let me know if you guys got any questions. Hopefully this helped you guys out. Thanks for watching and see you guys on the next one.